Hello everyone, and congratulations right away as you've reached the final 21st lesson in learning the Python programming language. Throughout this lesson, we won't be developing or studying anything new together. Instead, we'll simply summarize what we've learned and figure out where to go next. Now that you've covered all the main aspects of the Python language, you are ready to start learning frameworks for building full-fledged projects such as games, programs, websites, and so on. Next, what you need to do is decide where you want to go next. If you're interested in websites, start learning technologies for building sites such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the Django framework. If you want to create programs for Windows, start learning the PyQt library. If games interest you, you can try Pygame. And if you want to start developing neural networks, it's worth delving into mathematics and also studying the TensorFlow library. After further study, you will have enough knowledge to start creating your own full-fledged projects. That's all from me for now. If you enjoyed this course, please like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, don't postpone learning new technologies, and start your learning journey as soon as possible. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, goodbye.